The increased data growth over the past decade has created a dark data nightmare, especially for unstructured data. This nightmare leads to increased costs to store and manage, increased compliance and security risks, and lost opportunities for discovering value of the data. With Aparavi, it is easy to gain control of dark data. We'll start here at the Aparavi dashboard, which provides us an assessment of our data across various entities of our business. For example, here we can drill our assessment into our corporate headquarters, regional offices, and business entities we have here that are in process of acquisition. This allows us to solve the first challenge of dark data, discovering where it exists. Next, we need to understand which data is considered dark data. We can leverage indicators such as age and relevance in order to help solve this challenge. The widgets on the top here represent the age of the data. Generally, dark data are artifacts that are rarely touched after its initial creation. By reviewing data by its creation, modification, and access date helps put eyes on the data. Next, we need to review the categorization and classification of the data to help us understand the business relevance of the dark data. Reviewing data by their file types, like we see here, helps us understand whether files are everyday documents, media, or system artifacts, like databases and source code. Reviewing data by its classification helps us understand its contents. Does the content contain personal identifiable information covered by data privacy laws such as CCPA in California or GDPR in the EU? Does the data contain compliance information regulated by governing bodies like HIPAA, SOX, PCI, or GLBA? Does the data contain business confidential information or no classified information at all? By knowing the answers to these questions, we can make better decisions and take action on the data in an intelligent manner. Lastly, we need to understand where dark data may be exposed to risk. The permissions and data owners widget help us understand who has access to the data. By reviewing this access, we can begin to identify dark data that is exposed to excessive access. Here, we can see sensitive data like business confidential and financials that are exposed to everyone within our Active Directory. This helps us clean up legacy permission sprawl and configuration issues to mitigate risks by reducing exposure to dark data containing sensitive data. This was a quick demonstration to show how your business can leverage Aparavi to reduce costs, mitigate the risks, and create additional value out of its dark data. The next step to gain control of your dark data is to click on Get Started at aparavi.com.